Hi, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we'll be making something very classic. I remember going to birthday parties and gatherings when I was little, and I always look forward to this snack. It's called deviled egg. It's called deviled egg because it has a spice to it. So traditionally it's made very spicy. So that's where the name of deviled come from. So what it is a boiled egg with the yolk taken out, seasoned and put right back in, and it's a bite-sized snack, perfect for all gatherings. Sure, so let's get to it. So what I have here is I have a pot of water. I will warm, and what we'll do is we'll put 7 medium eggs into it. Make sure the water covers the top of the eggs. So we have 7 eggs right here. Nice. And we cover this back. And we bring this up to a boil, and we leave it boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can turn off the heat and set it aside and let it cool for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then we'll wash it down in some cold water, and we'll have some perfect peeling eggs ready to go. As you can see, the eggs are all peeled and they're perfect. Look at these. Now let's cut them open to see if the yolks are as beautiful as they should be. Oh, look at this beautiful yellow color of the yolk. This is very nice. This is perfect. So now that we have this cut in half, we take out the yolk and put the white aside, because later on we will dress this. Okay, our last one to cut. And then we simply scoop everything out and we can start working on our stuffings. That's nice. So as you can see, we have all the yolks here. All we do is we try to crush them up, split them into smaller pieces. So when we add our dressings and seasoning to this, it will all hold together nicely. We don't want chunks of egg. We can start by adding our chopped onions. This is very little, maybe half of a small one. But I chose the purple onion because it has more sweeter flavor to it. We also have some Dijon mustard. We will add this. And we have some mayo. We will sprinkle some parsley in it. Some people with this recipe, they put pickle. But I do not like pickles, so I leave that out. Then we mix all of this together. This is called deviled egg, so it must be spicy also. We have some hot sauce. This will add some tanginess as well as some kick to this. We have our lemon. Now I give it a little roll. Cut it in half. Then we squeeze this into our egg yolk. And one last thing, some salt to taste. We add some black pepper to this. Mix this all up, and then we're good. Then we can move to piping this into our egg white. Great, now this is all nice and smooth. Now we can bring our bowl over. Okay, we can add this egg yolk mixture into this bag. Right. We want every little bit of this egg yolk in our bag. Okay, now we lift our bag and we push our yolk to one side. The corner of the bag, we give this a little cut Nice. So now we reveal the ends. Now we just simply pipe this in. To our egg. Now we sprinkle some paprika over the top. I'll sprinkle some more chili over the top. So we have these parsley. We'll garnish the top with some parsley. And this just completes this beautiful devil's egg. Okay, this is the finished product. Now, have a look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh, it's so nice, I don't want to eat it. Okay, here we have it. Our deviled eggs, all plated and beautiful, ready to be served. This is so nice. I mean, this is a childhood dream come true for me, you know? Just be able to make it now and just enjoy it whenever I like. This is just amazing. Because this brings back a lot of memories when I used to attend a lot of birthday parties and gatherings with friends and family. This is always on the menu. I love this. Okay, now let's give this a try and see how this turned out. I'll put the whole thing in the mouth. Wow. Wow. This is just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna try another one. The tanginess from the lemon, the spiciness from the chili, everything is just bursting in your mouth. It's just running, it's creamy, it's just drooling everywhere. This is amazing. And then the fresh herbs over the top. Man, this is a nice summer treat. This is great. Whenever you have guests over, this is something nice to serve as an hors d'oeuvre. But now it's going to be my snack. Okay, so if you like what you see today, remember to hit the subscribe button and make sure you comment below. Let us know what else you'd like to see on the show so that we can try to fit it in for future episodes. Until then, bye now. Cheers.